The global fashion clothing industry turns over $3 trillion annually. Reaching this phenomenal figure means 80 billion new garments are produced every single year. But the nature of the fashion beast and its ever-changing trends means that this demand will continue to increase, posing the questions. How do we scale production that already exceeds 200 million garments per day? How do we react quicker to a consumer market that changes faster than a runway model? How do we achieve shorter lead times, more flexibility, more accuracy, and better quality at lower cost? Our solution? We build futuristic factories. But since HR banned us from time travel after John's unfortunate dinosaur incident, thanks John, we decided to build one such factory here and now. Let's take a look at the YTI Future Factory. Beautiful, isn't it? We are building this factory from the ground up so we can build, design, and create any process or flow that can be imagined. Don't touch that please, John. But why, you ask? Let's take a look at how current garment factories fall short by relying on an outdated system. Old-school factory managers are set in their ways and are not flexible. Factory departments work independently and are not connected, meaning unplanned or unexpected events have implications throughout the entire factory. An example of such implications would be production halts. If material does not leave the cutting room, the sewing line cannot continue, ceasing the whole production process. Manual data collection means that production data is not available until the day after, resulting in decisions being made in retrospect rather than real time. Production departments cannot acquire real-time data. As a result, production floor managers are unable to make real-time decisions, effectively removing the opportunity for floor personnel to assume their own level of responsibility. All of these issues result in non-productive time. In order to address non-productive time, current factories simply throw more money into the band-aid solutions, such as overtime and resources, without addressing the cause: lack of connectivity and information on the shop floor. This is where our factory... John, please move, you're blocking the shot.
Oops.
Thank you, John. This is where our factory changes the garment industry forever. The YTI Future Factory was designed with one goal in mind. Everything just happens when it's supposed to happen. To achieve this, we overhauled the system to incorporate new processes and concepts. We're eliminating waste, downtime, non-value-added actions, and waiting time by challenging traditional factory models. In order to address these issues, automating the movement of materials and methods will be incorporated alongside new two-way information systems. Incorporating and managing these faster response and turnaround times means data availability is essential. Our state-of-the-art connected factory ensures everyone working within the design to delivery process is connected and informed, as our data is current and can be actioned and monitored live. Factory-wide seamless connectivity not only connects all departments, it also spreads responsibility among more people, negating the need for individuals to waste time and resources worrying about past events. Here is another reason why a connected factory is advantageous. It appears John's sewing machine is in need of repair. How do we know this? Our connected factory tells us so. That means the diagnosis and repair of the machine can be arranged by automation, equaling faster action and less downtime. Don't stress, John, it's being handled. Automation also allows us to move material through the various production stages with little to no manual labor. The use of mechanical material handling and movement eliminates inefficiencies such as production interruptions and bottlenecks, because our intelligent factory knows where everything is at all times. This level of connectivity also reduces the risk of workplace injuries and personnel downtime. Our goal is to integrate these systems so tightly that the processes become so efficient and automatic they become second nature. To increase response to changing markets and trends, the YTI Future Factory makes use of digital printing technologies. Working within a predefined library of materials, this allows us to stock ready-for-print fabric when compared to the traditional sublimation technique, which requires the costly, time-consuming engraving of print rollers and the use of chemicals and pollutants. We can print onto a sublimation paper, then transfer the design to fabric using heat and pressure, reducing wastage and time. Utilizing this technique means that there are no minimum requirements per artwork. We are able to print 1 yard or 1,000 yards with minimal cost impact. Using a constant base material gives flexibility with garment styles, as everything comes from the same material we know and do best. Looking further ahead, to expand production and reduce waste even more, we are planning to incorporate digital dyeing technology, allowing us to print directly onto both sides of fabric. This gives us the ability to color white fabric stock any color, while printing designs and art directly onto it with no water and minimal waste. The final important piece of engineering and design concerns the building itself. The YTI Future Factory wouldn't be futuristic at all if it didn't provide an efficient environment for daily manufacturing, whilst simultaneously protecting Earth's well-being. The immediate availability of digital data means paper consumption is greatly reduced. A paperless system means we can reduce paper waste by up to 400,000 sheets per year, about 48 trees that can continue to benefit the environment, not to mention saving 4 million litres of water per year required to produce those 400,000 sheets of paper. To further minimise the impact on our water infrastructures, our factory collects its own rainwater with the purpose of factory flushing. To round out our sustainability strategy, skylights and evaporative cooling systems both minimise electricity and provide comfortable operating environments. Our commitment to preserving the environment can be seen in the construction of the factory itself. Made of partially recycled materials and weighing only 1/5 of the equivalent volume of concrete results in less resources and energy to construct. These materials also possess superior insulation qualities thanks to their unique thermal retention and reflection. Operating a sustainable factory ensures we play our part in keeping the planet beautiful, as well as being a responsible and ethical supply chain for today and for our children. This makes John very happy. This makes all of us very happy. YTI, building the future today.